Okay, precious metals and gold miners. So pretty much nothing today in GC. I'm looking really to see if this is the 4, and we're just going to drop straight down to that 1149 I've been looking for in the 5. The other possibility is that the move up we've seen here is just the A of this 4, and all this mucking around towards lower is a B, and then we come up here to the 1228 to 1247 for the 4. And it just takes more time before we get the final drop. But if I just take you down to the hourly chart, sorry, let's get rid of the bits and pieces. And if this is the 4 here, I've got an ABC 1, 2, ABC 3, right into that 1.0 extension. The 4 back, which held where it needed to. I think this is an A wave of the 5 down. We should get a B, C, looking for 1192 to 1189 area. All of that then would be the 1 of the 5, and then we'll get the deeper 2 back. Now, if I come across and look at the GDX next, I was wondering whether we got the bottom of the 3 in on Friday. We've pushed down a little further today. I'm looking ideally for this 1751. We haven't quite got there, either at last week's low or today's. So I would like to see us go pop down and tag that ideally. If I just take you down to the hourly chart, sorry, the 4-hour chart, you can see that's also the 3764 of the local subwave. So I'd like to see that. We've got huge divergences going on here in the GDX, and then a bounce back up to the 1988 area. And if I just look at the fibs here on the, 1953 to 1988 for this 4. That can either be the C of 4 up in GC or the 2 back after the completion of the diagonal, and then to watch the metals and miners all make a final 5th down in unison. In the case of the GDX, ideally to 1551 to 1519, and then that 1149 in GC, which leaves silver, nothing again today. But I think silver needs to hold the 1373 if it's going to make another low. Anything below there, and I think we're going to take out the December 2015 low and come down here to the 1293 region before we start the move back up in silver.